I'm standing there, watching my cat defy gravity again, perched atop the fridge like it's Mount Everest. Turns out, cats love high places because, fact one, it's in their genes to scout prey from above. So, while I'm down here Googling how to coax her down, she's up there plotting her next attack on the unsuspecting toaster. Fact two, high spots make them feel secure and in control. Translation: my cat thinks she's the queen of the castle, and honestly, she's not wrong. Fact three, it helps them avoid conflict, or in my house, the vacuum cleaner's wrath. And that's how I ended up buying a stepladder, just to serve Her Highness's dinner on the fridge.